Game 7, iba na ang Game 7 yung kalaro. Nakatago, but the decision on the part of Homer Say.
Still a 3-point lead for Ginebra, 22-19. Time winding down to 50 seconds here in the opening quarter. Tubid with the basketball. Where's he going? Tubid on the move. Tubid fakes. Tubid. No. Cristiano goes up.
It looks like that shaved head is working for Alex Rizano. Since he got in, a couple of offensive rebounds and already 4 points.
Big basket for Gary David. He now has 8 points in the game. Pero tatlo pa rin ang lamang ng Ginebra with 29 seconds remaining in the opening period. 15 to shoot. That's going to be a foul against Billones, who's having a hard time against Pacana.
Like we said, when you look at the build in itself, Winnie Arboleda mas bagay kay Chris Pacana ang bantayan. Tapos si Edgar Billones naman, yung quickness niya, match sila ni Paul Artadi.
Salvacion will start the play. 14 to shoot for Ginebra. 21 remaining in the opening quarter. That's another foul. And this time against Gary David. And that will be the 4th team foul against the Air 21. Only the first against Gary David. As Rafa Rivas makes his first appearance here in Game 7. And Chris Alexander will get that customary rest before the end of the quarter.
Excellent job. Both coaches making sure their imports get a couple of seconds, extra seconds rest on the bench at the end of the quarter.
At sa ngayon, tumatagal ang bola dito sa panig ng Ginebra. They have 11 seconds to shoot, 17 remaining in the opening quarter. And a knockout play especial coming from Ronald Tubid.
Air 21 should attack right now because Barangay Ginebra has fouls to give.
5 seconds to go.
Those are little things that you have to be aware of. The other team will give up the foul, so you have to attack early. At ang ganda ng play na ginawa ni Ronald Tubid.
And back to live action is David. No go. It's going to be Ginebra basketball. Crisano and Irvin Soto will be separated here. Little extra motion. With only 4/10 of a second remaining. They need a good pass and a miraculous shot. Salvacion would have been the best bet to take that shot, but couldn't handle the pass. So it's going to be a 5-point lead for Ginebra at the end of the opening quarter, 26-21. Back inside the Big Dome after these messages.
They just live up to the spirit of the Barangay Ginebra. Yun lang naman yun. Never say die. Keep the energy, keep the spirit. Walking wounded na kami, but the heart is still there. That's the main thing that's keeping us in the series. And we still believe with each other. Good things hopefully will happen. We just live with the never say die spirit of Ginebra.
Well, nung araw, Jong Wijigo was at the receiving end of yung tinatawag na legendary Never Say Die spirit. Tadi scoots in for 2 to start the second quarter. Pero ngayon, siya'y bahagi na of the Ginebra lore here in the PBA. And here comes Rafi Rivas on the move. Crisano is hammered by Homer Say. And you would not want to be in the middle of that tussle between Alex Crisano and Homer Say.
The first quarter went the way of Barangay Ginebra, and Barangay Ginebra also starting the second quarter strong. They are running when it is there. At ito, sinasabi mo, these two guys, definite heavyweights.
It's like Macho Man versus Hulk Hogan all over again. Homer Say, of course, always a tough hombre on the court. But you know, Homer Say, one of the most underrated scorers in the PBA today. Of course, siyempre, ang pinag-uusapan lagi ng tao is his very physical defense and his penchant for giving up flagrant fouls like this one. So he'll be tagged with a flagrant foul penalty 1 dahil kita-kita naman Alas, akala niya yung bagong sa ulo ni Crisano ay yung bola. No? But highly unlikely.
Homer Say having one of his better seasons so far this conference. Very good for him. And speaking of guys that are having an impact, Alex Crisano in this game, maganda pinapakita niya dahil naka-4 na puntos na siya coming off the bench. These are bonuses, and these bonuses are huge when it's a Game 7.
You know, it was interesting. We were talking about Chris Pacana earlier. If you would have told me that in a Game 7, Crisano, Pacana, and Artadi would be on the floor at the same time providing quality minutes for Ginebra, I would have told you, Jason, pa-check up ka nga. But here they are, those three gentlemen doing wonders para sa Ginebra, trying to give them a championship tonight on this wild Wednesday inside a big dome. Siyempre, kabukoy, pupod na nagagalak na kasalo namin kayo here in Game 7. Crisano, no-look pass. Artadi short. Air 21 has Santos, Arboleda, Soto, Se, and David on the floor. Both coaches opting not to start the second quarter with their imports. Both imports resting on the bench. First personal laban kay Sunday Salvacion. First team foul laban sa Ginebra. Arboleda still has the ball with nowhere to go. Here's Homer Se. The ball ends up with Artadi with 1 minute having gone by here in the second quarter. Salvacion fires. Can't get the bounce. Homer Se clears the rebound and get the women and children out of the way. I thought Homer Se would go for it. Instead, binigay muna niya kay Winnie Arboleda. 14 to shoot for Air 21. Here comes Gary David, who's been tough to guard earlier for Ronald Tubid, and now he's the assignment of Sunday Salvacion.
Probably a harder matchup for Sunday Salvacion compared to Ronald Tubid. So much quickness right there. Nagkaroon lang ng cross matchup doon. It's actually Chris Pacana that's supposed to guard ito si Gary David. Gary David, excellent recognition, attacking right away the defense of Sunday Salvacion.
Second personal laban kay Salvacion. Second team foul laban sa Ginebra. Ervin Soto, who used to play for Ginebra. Meantime, here's Rivas. Nice pass from Kagiwa. Outside to Kagiwa. Open shot. 4-3. Short. Andrew Rivas clears the offensive rebound. Back to Kagiwa. Two-man game here. And now it ends up with Artadi with 18 to shoot. And Artadi wisely calling the play here. Back to Kagiwa against Arvin Santos. That's a stellar matchup. Kagiwa with another short attempt. And Crisano and Homer Se. Or rather, Crisano and Ervin Soto. And now, words being exchanged at yun, may nakita tayo na bigyan ng technical foul.
You know,
Hindi ba nagsama tong dalawa na to?
malamang hindi dahil and right there in the bottom of your screen you see Alex Crisano. Get out of the way.
So it's a double technical foul for an on-court altercation. So Soto and Crisano palitan pa naman ang kasalita, and Davi Espinas making a